If you also think your biggest enemy is the person who is in front of you, what if I say you that you are wrong? Because according to the 15th law of the 48 laws of Power Book, your biggest enemy is your work that you don't complete. Hi, my name is Mohit Sambria. I welcome you on my YouTube channel Mohit Experience. In this video, I will be explaining 15th law of the 48 laws of Power Book that teaches us why in this competitive situation we must eliminate our threat totally. So make sure you subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon button, because this is what I will keep doing until and unless I explain every each law of this book in my videos. And if you do this, so whenever I upload my video on any time, you can watch that without being late. And if you want to get free PDF of this book, you can follow me on my Instagram. Every day I share free PDF of this book in my DMs, so you can also come there. Let me tell you 15th law of the 48 laws of Power Book. So the 15th law of the 48 laws of Power Book, that is crush your enemies totally. This law is not about physical harm or violence. This law says if you are dealing with your competitor, so you must close all the doors that allows them to rise again, because if you defeat someone partially, they will get their power again, they will gather their power again, they will harm you or even attack you when you are not ready. But if you remove their power, completely remove their influence or ability to harm you, you disappear that threat for always. This is what this law says. Let me make you understand with an example. Let's say you are working in a company and someone tries to separate wrong rumor about you. If you forgive them without saying anything and without complaining, they can do that again. But if you complain about them to your senior, you remove their influence, you remove their ability to harm you again and damage your reputation. This is what this law says. So the law is very simple. This law says that half century creates problem of future and complete centuries gives peace of the future. So this is what this law says. So this was the simple explanation of 15th law of the 48 laws of Power Book. And if you want to know more about this book, so you can subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon button, because as I told you, I will keep doing this until and unless I explain every each law of this book. And if you want to get free PDF, you can follow me on my Instagram, and I will see you in the next video.